So you're right, Bunnings. The key to life is plants. Alright? Water your garden. They give oxygen. Alright? Oh, snaps. Da! Oh, he's still there. Thought I lost my father, but he's still over here. Alright? Let's have a roll. Check out my back garden and back garden. So we're here at our Bunnings, North Parramatta. Finished from UTC. Now we're here at Bunnings. Just look at stuff and just to look at some equipment for work. Yeah. So I think I locked it. Okay. Berarti tamran ni dalam sini. Anyways, about to go into Bunnings, my house. I'm gonna go and fix me some houses. Bunnings. We are the lowest prices every day. So walking into Bunnings. Very good. Some barbecues. That's one. Huh? Look at all the tools. Whoa. Don't never play yourself. See this? Or this? Water blasters. I'm just here in my garage going through some stock. You know what I'm saying? Whoa. Look at my lunchbox. Stanley. 49 centimeters. 19 inches. Alright. Let's see what this guy's packing. How do you even open this? I didn't see the handle. Always following the instructions. Whoa. Can fit like 4 sandwiches in here. Hide your beers in there when the popos come. Alright. Is that what you want, though?
Yeah.
Hot dog, hot dog. What? Hot dog. Chocolate dead. It's my video log. Please. Shit is. Otto, what about this? Like you tie it around your waist, and then after you.
No, I'm crawling. I'm crawl. I use my body on the soil, so I don't want to disturb. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay.
Here's some wrenches. Jake's is called spanners. Alright. We use it just like that. This is what I use. Like it's too heavy. Never ever play yourself. Oh, this is what I'm talking about. Ooh, come on, get. Like everything in here is so heavy. But you know what? I gotta toughen up. Watch this. Boom. 50 kilograms. Alright. Extend this manda. Look at these generators. Oh, it's called welders. Drill bits. Blades of saw. Call me 000. We call the I think it's for like we need another Stanley knife, huh? We need another Stanley knife. Stanley knife.
It's cheap very from
Oh yeah. Huh? Oh. What is called jewelry. All the finest brands you can ever imagine. Any finest brands you can never contemplate. You can only find it in Bunnings warehouse. Big brands, lowest prices. Wait, no, wait, it's not the slogan. It's a slogan. Lowest prices every day. Now look at this vacuum cleaner. It almost looks like a when you put the hot water in. Look at this. You can never go wrong. Don't ever play yourself. Sorry?
What is that?
This it's a GoPro.
It's a what?
GoPro.
Is
Yeah, it's recording everything just for evidence and stuff. Yeah. Yeah.
You're not a straight criminal, are you?
No. I'm not a criminal. Maybe I am. That lady there, just this you know what you said. Anyways, aisle 13. Aisle 13. Baru via klena bamba siya. Hello. Shopping at Bunnings at its finest. Yeah. Can never go wrong. Never. If she's shopping in Bunnings, you can come to Bunnings. Oh, she snaps. I think the father saw me. But you know what? Doesn't matter because I'm a thug. TH. Thug, whatever. How do you spell it? Naleta wagi. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's official. I lost my father. In a big warehouse like this, a man can lose his mind. Never ever lose his mind. Another one. Oh look, kitchen. Very nice, very nice. Wow, to Eric, Matthew, what do you think I am? Billy or what? No, I can afford it because I'm DJ Khaled. Alright. Look at this. Bunnings, Sophie. Very nice kitchen. What you're looking for is a deep kitchen so you can stack up all your dishes and never wash them. Oh my gusta. Oh, there. See this bamboo. That's what we used back in the days when we came from Tanganyika all the way to Viti, to Fiji, the islands of Fiji. Anyways, thought I'll let you in a little bit of history. Hey, shut up when I'm talking. I'm a frog, man. Oh. Okay, found myself the blanket. Oh snap, I think I'll break it. Anyways, walkers, if I never did anything. Whoa, this is hectic. Sitting in my garage. How many outside tables I've got? That's still not enough. I need to get heaps. Oh. Anyways, we're walking out the door now. Bunnings warehouse. Lowest prices every day. See that? This is what you call a spade. Kima me mai viti. Do baka yang tahinia na spade way. Alright? Whoa, painting. Yo, here in Bunnings, you got everything that you need, from paint to things over here, to more paints. Whoa, look at the color, it's so lovely, just lovely, so vibrant. From paint to paint brushes, man, you can never play yourself. They say the key to success is painting, because you're an artist. You paint your way to success. Alright? Alright? Like my friend always tell me, another one. Okay, the people in Bunnings are looking at me, it's so awkward. Oh my gosh, it's so awkward. Oh, что? Oh man, hey. Look. Yeah. Where are you lads? Sorry, DJ Khaled. I know Chris Brown has been a bit harsh. I'll take it easy, alright? Alright, ladies. Well, cheers. Aisle number 13. Pretty nice stuff.